welcome back to another video. A bit of an unexpected one. We were supposed to be taking out what I thought was the, what is it? Mercedes what? GLE63, and then I've turned up and I've seen this in the driveway. So obviously we're taking this one out for a shoot, and it's a really nice sunset tonight, so I'm looking forward to it. We're going to get some nice photos, a nice behind the scene video like I usually would do. And yeah, I'm going to do a reel as well, so be sure to check out my Instagram for that. Linked in the description. So yeah, let's go. I'm buzzing with this. Look at all carbon as well on it. You'll see it more in detail when we get into the video. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's even got the Akrapovic exhaust on it. The spec on this is actually mad. Like all the carbon fibre as well. You'll see it in a lot more detail, obviously, when we get to the spots. But yeah, I'm looking forward to shooting this. That's sick. Let's go.
Not even Florida, okay?
That's sick.
I'm not even like going for it. We're just cruising.
Like, remember look at all the birds that have come from there. Just praying that it doesn't land on the car or on us. Oh my god. Look at that shot. That angle looks sick.
So if you get it like peeking over the car.
You can just sort of see it there, look. So we're going to get some driving shot at the moment, and of course there's an alarm going off, obviously. That sounds so good. Listen to the alarm, why? Get one more coming this way. Oof. Yeah, that sounds sick. the car in middle, because that shot like of it looked like it going up the hill looks sick. So if you leave it in middle here. So we're just going to try a launch at the moment. Recording on the mic. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, go. Mate. That's actually insane. What the fuck? Yeah, that's sick. So we've got this angle because it looks sick, and it looks literally like it's about to do a launch up the hill. Want to get some like close and far back ones because, mate, that looks sick. Next time come out, I'm 100% bringing the 70 to 200. Mate, these at night actually look mad. Yeah, these shots of the lights and stuff look sick. Need to keep it about there. Everything in portrait, so all the portrait shots of the launches and stuff I will add into the video, and we've got drone shots as well, so don't worry, there is like a lot of landscape stuff. But if we had a bit more time, I'd have got a nice cinematic of it in landscape. But this is just the first shoot out of the two that we're going to go do, and we're off to a new location next time, so that'll be good. I'll probably put it in this video because it'll be like a two-parter because this one was quite short. But look how good that looks at night whilst it's like that. That's sick. I'm going to overlay the footage on here because my GoPro is inside, so we're going to get some shots here, so I'll show you them now from when I get it. Yeah, because look at that, that looks sick. And the sky behind as well. Yeah, you heard that then, didn't you?
Yeah, that's the one.
Is that the what you? Yeah, is that the little crack?
We need to go for the tunnel, really, but
yeah. Yeah, stay in this way. Yeah, that is sick. That were a good one.
Yeah.